following our videos, you know that we have found this big cassette tape and this micro cassette tape here. They both have messages in them, and we have been trying to figure this out, and we actually asked you guys to help us out on how to solve what's actually on these tapes. A lot of you have told us to play this on reverse, and we tried doing that, and it still didn't make any sense to us.
A bunch of you said to speed it up. We tried speeding it up, didn't make any sense either.
But some of you are very clever and actually told us to play them together at the same time, and that's something that we haven't tried yet, and we want to share this with you.
So we are gonna put the small cassette in this little cassette player right here.
Since we don't have a cassette tape player, I recorded it on my phone so we can play it together at the same time.
Ready, V? Hit play on yours.
Chad and me, you have made it this far. It is finally time to settle this once and all. Meet me at 1876 Guile Street.
What?
Whoa, it formed a full sentence.
Wow, that was actually really hard to hear.
That was hard to hear, but I think we can figure it out. I'm gonna rewind this cassette tape.
Okay, you guys, I need you guys to listen very carefully when we replay this again to get the message, okay? Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Chad and me, you have made it this far. It is finally time to settle this once and all. Meet me at 1876 Guile Street.
Whoa.
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
Definitely, it sounds like the hacker.
And the hacker knows our name. This is Chad and V.
If you've made it this far, time to put this to an end for once and for all. Meet me at 1876 Guile Street, I think it said.
I couldn't really hear the address very well.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, comment down below what you heard.
And we're gonna go to that address right now. I'm gonna go get my backpack, fill it with some ninja weapons, because we need to be prepared. The hacker wants us to go to this address. I don't trust him. He's gonna have a trap or something, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna pack my own backpack too with all my spy gear, just in case there's any locks or anything, any traps that he set up.
Perfect.
So yeah, let's go pack, Chad.
Let's do this.
Okay, you guys, we are here. It led us to this like really tiny alleyway that we can barely fit into, and it goes down way, way down there. Kind of creepy. Are you ready?
Got my sword / flashlight ready to go.
All right, let's go. Look at this scary nails here.
Yeah.
They're just poking out.
Be careful, hopefully none of these nails shoot out.
It's like people don't want us to be going down this alleyway right here.
Yeah. This piece of metal here, don't touch that. It could be a trap where it gets set off if you touch it.
I can't really see anything. I'm a little too short for this.
I hear some breathing.
Really?
Yeah, but it's really faint.
I brought my listener. I'm gonna turn it to high, and then I'll try to listen to it.
You hear anything?
Ah, it sounds like someone's sleeping or something.
That's weird.
It's like they're snoring. Like
Hear
it's
that?
definitely a person.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You sure it's a person, not like an animal?
No, I hear someone breathing loudly. So we just gotta be careful. I think we'll encounter them later. Whoa! What is this?
Whoa, look at that.
It's a target practice.
Whoa, these are ninja throwing blades. Wow, that's freaky. Someone here's been practicing their ninja skills.
Whoa, Chad, what is this thing?
Whoa. Looks like a, I don't know, entranceway or something? It's locked. Check it out, there's a lock on it.
Oh gosh. You know, we never figured out what those locks that we found on the treasure box.
There were keys in there that we've never used. They gotta eventually unlock something.
Yeah, let me try them. Okay, they better work this time.
Yeah, we've tried them on like everything.
Oh my gosh, it fits.
Oh, it unlocks. Whoa.
It unlocked.
We must be in the right place. So whoever put those keys in the treasure chest, they must have not wanted someone to go through this doorway, because else why would they bury them in a hidden treasure chest?
Oh my gosh, what's in here?
Is there like a bunch of treasure in here?
That would be so cool if there's a bunch of treasures in there.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh, you guys should give this video a thumbs up right now if you guys want us to go in there.
I don't know, it's kind of scary though. I don't know if we should go in there. What if it's a trap? Should we go in there, guys?
Okay, it looks like a bunch of you guys have given this video a thumbs up, so I think we should just go in there.
Yeah, I trust you guys to do the right thing.
Yeah,
So
all right.
we'll be brave.
I actually am gonna use one of these ninja weapons here. All right, ready to open this, Chad?
Ready. Whoa, look at the door. Look at the way the door opens. It's bending out.
Oh my gosh.
We have to go through through the top. All right, I'll go through here first, Pete.
Chad, wait for me. Don't go yet. Chad, where are you?
I'm right up here, right up here. Here, let me get my my ninja flashlight here.
I still can't see anything. I'm gonna just use my phone then.
Yeah, this actually isn't that bright because it's when you sneak up on people, you don't want to use too bright of a light. All right, so what is this place? We weren't supposed to find this place, I think.
Okay, wait, Chad, what's that over there?
Shh.
I mean, it's the same mask. I think it's the hacker.
Okay, I'm gonna try to sneak up on him, okay? Oh!
What?
It's a training dummy. Look what mask he's wearing, guys.
Huh, why is he training against this mask though?
Who put this here? Was the hacker wearing his mask and like training against this guy?
Are we in his training room right now?
Should we keep investigating? Should we try to find a light?
Okay, do you see anything interesting? Make sure to keep an eye out too, okay? If you see anything interesting, let us know in the comments below.
Whoa, check out this wall, guys, over here. Whoever lives here definitely has been training in the ninja skills. There's bow staffs over here, a huge naginata.
Look at these nunchucks. He has multiple of them.
I brought a pair with me in my backpack as well. There's a whip.
So many swords.
Whoa.
I wonder if this person's been watching our videos and know that we have a lot of these weapons and they're trying to collect it.
Yeah.
So they know like our skills and what we know how to use. So they're training to combat us.
There's that saying, you gotta fight fire with fire. So you gotta fight ninja weapons with other ninja weapons. Yeah, we gotta figure out whose room this is, whose weapons these are. This is crazy. Oh, look at this. It's one of those training devices.
Oh, Chad, I think Bruce Lee uses these. He's a Kung Fu master. Is this person a Kung Fu master also?
If he's training with one of these.
I'm kind of afraid of who we're gonna go against, Chad.
Man. He's probably a really good martial artist.
It probably takes two of us to fight this person.
Probably.
Yes.
Oh, there's a door here.
Oh. Is there a lock up here?
Nope,
Or it's already unlocked?
It's unlocked up here. Check the bottom.
There's a lock right here.
Oh, what are those symbols?
This is a diamond, a spade, I think, a heart, and a club.
Huh.
They're like
those are like playing
cards. Is this person also a professional gambler? Or are they a magician?
Hackers usually are magicians a lot of times. Okay, so we need to figure out how to unlock this door. Hey, let me listen here. I hear somebody breathing.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Sounds like someone's sleeping.
That's so weird.
Maybe the hacker's sleeping in here and we can sneak attack him.
Let's just explore this room some more. Ah!
What?
Oh, Chad.
Whoa.
What is this?
What are these?
Gosh. What?
What is it? What is it?
What is that?
Whoa. Is that a weapon? I have no idea.
Oh, it's a mask.
It's a mask. Whoa,
with spikes?
Spike.
Oh my gosh.
That's creepy.
That's so scary. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
What's in this other one?
What's in the other case down
Okay, you
here?
open this one.
Whoa, a bunch of garbage. Styrofoam cup. Styrofoam. Whoa, a playing card.
Oh.
5 of diamonds. Remember that lock that had a diamond on it?
Yeah.
So does that mean we have to hit the diamond 5 times?
Maybe. Okay.
Huh, let's keep looking.
All right, let's see. More garbage.
Whoa, what's this? There's a signature on this one.
It's a trick one.
Oh, two-sided.
Two-sided. This person is a trickster. They're definitely a hacker. I feel like this is helpful. I'm gonna keep this.
Okay, cool.
All right.
V, look at these. It's a scuba suit. This is all kinds of scuba gear here for breathing underwater. Look at this. A scuba mask. A snorkel.
Is this hacker the same person that put the pond monster in the Cher's pond?
Whoa! Everyone's been saying that someone's been messing with a lot of YouTubers lately. Maybe this is the person because we found a hacker mask here. We found scuba gear here where they could have been planting pond monsters.
Gosh, who do we know that's a magician too? I think Colin's Keys. Isn't he a magician?
Oh, yes, he is. Does Colin's Key live here?
Oh.
Is he the hacker? There's even like a breathing tank so you can breathe underwater right here.
Look at this.
What?
This card.
Oh, another card?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's a 4 of spade.
That was on the lock too.
I think we're getting close to a combination, you guys. Try to remember this, you guys. TST 56. I feel like it might be a clue or something.
Ooh, you are gonna like what I just found, V.
Oh yeah?
You are gonna like this. Check this
Is
out.
it a treasure?
Check this out. It's a switch. Let there be light.
This
There's
is
a lot of stuff.
It's a lot of weird stuff here. Jeez, look at these weights. Whoa, that's really heavy.
There's a ton of gloves up here.
There's gloves down here too.
Whoever lives here wears a lot of gloves. Remember those gloves we found?
Yeah, those yellow ones.
Yeah.
I think this is his training space, you guys.
Yeah, I think so. Check out this motorcycle right here.
So we found like an old motorcycle at the abandoned town. Now this motorcycle right here.
This is way newer. They left their motorcycle here because they're currently driving around our Tesla.
Do you guys know any YouTubers that rides a motorcycle? Comment down below right now. My gosh. Okay, let's hurry up. Let's hurry up.
All right. There's got to be more stuff around here. I think we have to find some more cards to unlock that lock.
Definitely. Hey.
What?
Yellow duct tape. Isn't that weird?
That's weird.
Yeah, they're usually like
silver.
Silver.
Like gray.
Yeah. Huh.
And it looks like most of it's been used. You guys seen yellow duct tape before? That's really weird.
Yeah, I haven't seen yellow duct tape.
Who has yellow duct tape? Well, now you just threw it away. Okay, whatever.
I'm just saw.
Ooh, these are cool. Some motorcycle helmets. Whoa! Hey, something just fell out of this helmet. Whoa, that fell out of this motorcycle helmet.
Really?
What
It's
is
another card, you guys.
What
Three
is it?
of spades.
Nice.
Oh, so
Okay.
it wasn't a heart or a club. It's another spade.
Let's keep looking. I think we gotta find like one more because the thing had 4 angles on it, 4 directions.
Is there anything in this box?
Oh, like ninja training pads.
Yeah, ninja training pads.
And a black belt. The guy's a black belt.
Oh no.
Or it could be a girl who's a black belt too. We don't know if it's a guy or a girl hacker. Whoa! I saw that. Look at
No.
this.
I don't want to touch that.
Remember we found the Ouija device in that treasure chest?
I don't want to touch it.
I wonder if that goes with this one. Whoever buried that treasure maybe used it with this. Let's see your ghost meter.
Gosh, I don't like supernatural stuff at all, you guys.
Definitely a ghost in here. Holy cow. Well, I ain't scared of no ghosts. I'll bring it with me in my backpack.
Yeah, you carry it. I'm not putting it in my backpack.
Because I want to see what happens when we use this with that Ouija device that we found in the treasure chest.
Do you hear that? I
Did
feel
hear
like
some
the
movement.
snoring is getting louder. Right? Hey, what is this thing right here?
Oh, but that's what boxers use for practicing their boxing.
Oh, this person must be like really fit. They have ninja skills, they can scuba dive, drive a motorcycle, and maybe box.
And look at this. This device here is for working out as well. You go like this, you lift your legs up like this, you can build your stomach muscles. Yeah, so whoever lives here must be like really fit, probably almost as fit as me.
Almost.
He probably only has a 6-pack, but I have an 8-pack.
Yeah, you
look
do.
at this. I can do pull-ups super easily because I'm so tall. See that?
Wow, you're like 6'4"?
So maybe the person who works out here is a little bit smaller because this isn't tall enough to do pull-ups on for me, you know?
I shouldn't have to be worried since I have Chad with me. What's up there?
Like ninja blades in a basket.
Really?
Yeah, and some WD-40.
I wonder what's in here. Oh, ow! This just poked me in the chin. It's a card.
Hey.
It's the Queen of Diamonds. I think that's the 4th one. Let's go test it out on the lock. Okay, so these are the 4 cards that we found, and you know it could be like 5 diamonds, and then 4 strokes on the spades.
Maybe it's not the numbers, it's just the suits themselves. So like diamond, spade, spade, diamond, like that's like the combination.
Oh.
We found the diamond, we
And
found
then
a
with
spade, and then a diamond. So maybe it's that order.
All right, let's try that. Diamond, spade, spade, diamond. That worked.
Whoa, awesome.
Oh my gosh, that was super easy.
Cool.
Wow.
We better be quiet because we heard someone sleeping through this door. So we gotta be very quiet. It's opening. Let's see what's out here. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. It's the hacker. I see the hacker mask.
Oh my gosh.
You see that?
Close it. Okay, I feel like I need to be mentally prepared for this before we go in there. So thank you guys so much for showing up in the first hour whenever I post a new video. Make sure to click here to see Chad and I go through that door.
We are gonna confront this hacker finally, for once and for all.
Subscribe to me and subscribe to Chad right now for more adventures. Okay, so make sure to follow me and Chad on Instagram because we need your help. So anytime there's a clue that you think we should know about, make sure to go on there and let us know. So I'll see you on Chad's channel right now.